Welcome back, students. Our topic for today is phases of the moon. First of all, see this picture: the sun, the moon, and the earth. Just as you all know that moon revolves around the earth in a fixed orbit, and moon doesn't have its own light. So sun gives light to the moon. Now we will know about the phases of the moon. We can say that changing shapes of the moon are called phases of the moon. Is it clear? Changing shapes of the moon are called phases of the moon. Now, the moon has different shapes. Just as you all knows that the moon has different phases. It appears to change its shape during the month. The moon changes its shape during the month when the shape appears to be growing. When the shape of the moon appears to be growing, it is called the waxing period. And when the shape appears to be reducing, it is called the waning period. We see different shapes of the moon. See this picture. This is the phases of the moon. We see different shapes of the moon due to the sun lighting up its different parts in its journey around the earth. This is the picture of phases of the moon. The phases of the moon divided into two parts. The first part is waxing period and the second part is waning period. Now its name is the new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, third quarter and last quarter, and waning crescent. Is it clear? Now I will talk in detail about the new moon. New moon. When the moon is between the earth and the sun, we cannot see the moon at all. This is because the side of the moon facing the earth does not get sunlight. This is called the new moon. Now, students, we will talk about the full moon. After about 2 weeks, after about 2 weeks, we cannot see the full moon. This is because the full side of the moon facing the earth gets sunlight. Now the moon begins its return journey from the full moon to the new moon.